Today we're going to continue with some geometry and specifically surface area. Let's define surface area to start. The combined area of the surfaces of a solid. So the top, the bottom, and all the sides, when you add up all their areas together, that's what combined means, add. So when you add up all the area of all the surfaces, you have the surface area. And we're also going to use this phrase here, or term, lateral surface area. Let's define that. Not an official definition here, but it'll work. Just the sides. So surface area is the top, the bottom, and all the sides together. The lateral surface area is just the sides. So we're excluding the top and bottom. One thing I want to add in here too is a little formula for surface area that we're not necessarily going to use in today's lesson, but it might be helpful to us down the line. Surface area is 2 times the area of the base plus the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism. So again, surface area is 2 times the area of the base plus the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism. Just so that when I start using that on problem sets, it's not completely foreign to you. All right, so what is the lateral surface area of a tissue box with the dimensions shown? Okay, lateral surface area is the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism. We can simplify that and just make it P times H. And that should look familiar. That formula that I just gave you, let me click back a link here, right here. pH, perimeter of the base times height of the prism. That's lateral surface area. 2 bases and the lateral surface area makes up the surface area. All right. So in this case, the base, oh, I'm sorry. Didn't know that would happen. I thought it would just pick right up where I left off. That's fine. So lateral surface area is the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism. That can be abbreviated to P times H. Now the base is this 9 by 5 rectangle on the bottom of this rectangular prism. So it's got a front side and a back side that are 9, and then a right side and a left side that are 5. So 9 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5 is the perimeter of that rectangle that this prism is sitting on. And then 4 is the height of the prism from base bottom to base top. It's a distance of 4. So perimeter is 28. The height is 4. 28 times 4. 112 square inches. Okay, so what we just did is we just found the lateral surface area. So we've got the base there. We just found the area of the front and the right side and the back, which we can't see, and the left side. Okay, and you can imagine if you unfolded this box and made it into a net, that it would be 4 rectangles right in a row. It would be a 9 by 4, a 5 by 4, a 9 by 4, and a 5 by 4. It'd just be one long rectangle. That long rectangle would be 28 inches long and it would be 4 inches high. So base times height. What is the total surface area of a cube with edges 2 inches long? Okay, well, a cube has all side lengths the same. All edges are the same length. So one side would be 2 by 2, or 4 square inches. A cube has 6 sides, or faces. So we'll take that 4 square inches, multiply it by 6, and we get 24 square inches. One side is 2 times 2, 4 square inches. 6 sides would be 4 times 6, 24 square inches. Same thing here on C. Estimate the surface area of a cube with edges 4.9 centimeters long. Well, one side of that cube would be about 5 times 5, or 25 square inches, or square centimeters, I'm sorry. So a 6-sided cube, the surface area would be 25 for one side, times 6 sides, or faces, 150 centimeters squared. So surface area is pretty easy when we're talking about a cube where every single face is the same size, but it gets a little bit more difficult, like on that tissue box we did in example A. Quan is painting a garage. Find the lateral surface area of the building. So when we say lateral surface area, we're talking about the side, all the sides, the front, the back, the left side, and the right side. He's not going to paint the roof, and he's not going to paint the ground. So lateral surface area is all we need. So lateral surface area is the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism. The perimeter of the base is 80. How did I get that? 20, 20, 20, and 20. Got it's a square prism here, so 20, 20, 20 on the right side, 20 on the back. That's 80, and the height is 8 foot tall. It's 640 square feet. And now that we know that, if we know that paint covers 100 square feet per can, we'd know we'd need to buy 7 cans of paint to paint all this. Of course, we could exclude the garage too, but we'll just kind of leave it simple. Maybe he is painting the garage. Okay, and then I got a little assignment for you guys at home to finish your notes, and we've done this before, but I want you to find a box at home, such as a cereal box, and measure its dimensions. I want you to sketch the box on your paper and record its length, width, and height. Then I want you to estimate the number of square inches of cardboard used to construct that box. So if it is a cereal box, I want you to draw that cereal box, kind of like my drawing in example A. I want you to put the dimensions in there, kind of like my drawing in example A, and then find out the total surface area. Now in example A, we only did lateral surface area. We only did the sides. You guys will need to find the total surface area. So give it a shot, and we'll take a look at it tomorrow. That's all I got for you today. Have a great night.